Today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is going to be an experiment. I've got 3 of the flavors from Texas pepper jelly. Now, this one in the middle, I've used before on other videos, and I've used on ribs that I've eaten before, and they turn out great. However, today I have picked up pineapple and mango. Also, I'm going to use Uncle Steve's magic ribs, and that is the only thing I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any other concoction. This is going to be a straight up smoke these till they're done. I'm just going to wrap it with butter, no brown sugar. So this would be a good experiment. I'm not mixing anything else with them, just straight up these products right here. Let's get into it. Okay, so while I wait for the smoker to get up to temp and do its burn off, these have been sitting here about 30 minutes. They are nice and sweaty and ready to go. If you're wondering why I didn't include getting these prepped and pulling the membrane off, I've already done that in some previous videos, which I'll put the card in the corner if you want to go back and look at that. I just wanted to keep this video simple and short for those of y'all who just want to see how those Texas jelly pepper ends up at the end. So let me get these on, get them finished, and get them back in here, and I'll check with you in about 5 hours.
5 hours later.
So it's been right around 5 hours. These things are done. I'm really liking the way those front ones look. They got a nice darker red to them. That's a St. Louis cut. Don't ask me why I got 2 different cuts. I don't know. Just that's what happened. That's what landed in the cart. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna do the front rack with the pineapple. Never tried this one. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start pouring this on here. I'm just gonna get it all on there. Oops, I got it on the other rack on accident. Then I'm just gonna brush this around, and I'm gonna let these sit for probably 10 minutes so that that glaze kind of tacks up. I like it when it's just a little bit sticky, not too runny. Yeah, these are looking good. Let me get just a little bit more right here. Oh yeah. Got nice pullback on those bones. Wow, that looks good. So on the second one, we'll do the mango. Just brush that along there. Definitely gonna need more. I'm not gonna go light on that because I want it to really come through and shine on that flavor. Get everything brushed. And on the last one, now this is the one that I've had many times, candy apple, habanero, which by the way, all of these are habanero. And you can actually get these same flavors in a non-habanero. And some of them are actually available in a double habanero, which I think like this one, you can get even hotter. Get this brushed. It's like artwork. Just a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to reposition the camera so you can get in here and get a good look at this stuff. Got to see it up close. Go ahead and get this rack right here. Just cut through. Boy, these are nice and soft. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, man, that looks good. Super hot. My right hand is burning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one cut from each one. I'll reposition the camera so you can get my reaction. Okay, it is time. I've got one out of each of these. First one up, this is a St. Louis cut, and this is the pineapple. Oh yeah, bite through. Oh, that's good. Mm. Now, I purposely didn't take these all the way 200, 203. I left them down just a little bit under 200 because I want them to be bite off the bone, not fall off the bone. I'm starting to actually like that a little more. That's so good. Okay, second one up is the mango. I haven't had the mango before. That's good. Bite right through. So good. Mm. Last but not least, cherry habanero. And this one I have had before, so I should know what to expect. Mm. That's good. I think I might just sit here and eat all these racks. Shout out to my mom. She got this custom apron set up for me. Got my logo on it. What more can you ask for? I'm going to have all these down in the description, these three flavors. Do this combination. If you've got time, got a couple racks of ribs laying around, I suggest getting some of this. Do it just like I did. Yeah, I'm telling you, you'll love it. It's time to eat around my house. So if you'll excuse me, I'm going to cut these up, start digging in. Hey, this is Todd with Lone Star Smoke. We'll see you next time.